how to empty and replace the waste container on the Miele coffee machine. So just open the door here, right here, open, and the waste container is on this side here, so you just have to pull it out. So that's the waste container. Now put it in a bin or in your garden. Then give it a good wash. So here, just gonna wash it with warm water. Now dry it and then put it back into your coffee machine and close the door. Then just tap on the OK button. Here says fill the bin container, place in the machine, so that is something else totally different. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.